You're a regular visitor to Saudi Arabia as well. You've been to the kingdom several times. What are Saudi leaders telling you at the moment about the prospect of normalisation compared to perhaps a few years ago?
This was a test, really. There is a very heavy door that is opening. It's a crawling normalization, I would say, baby steps. And I think this delegation was part of it. It was the first time, really, you could feel history. They had a kind of instructions coming from upstairs, from the leadership of the kingdom, asking them to test and to see what happens with an Israeli delegation. And by the way, it was a request by the government to publish everything that happens there, which is completely new. And they want to see the reaction.
You think they're testing their own population?
Absolutely, and also the Middle East and the Muslim world. They want to see what is the reaction to the fact that Israelis representing different companies are present there in the heart of the kingdom in the city of Dammam.